What is euthanasia, mercy killing? Euthanasia refers to the act of deliberately ending the life of a person who is suffering from an incurable or debilitating illness, typically at the person's request. It is also known as mercy killing or assisted suicide. Euthanasia can be classified into two main types, voluntary and involuntary. In voluntary euthanasia, the person who is being euthanized makes a clear and voluntary request for the procedure. Involuntary euthanasia, on the other hand, is performed without the explicit consent of the person who is being euthanized. Euthanasia is a highly controversial topic and is illegal in many countries, while a few countries have legalized it under certain circumstances. Which countries are accepting euthanasia? Euthanasia is legal in a limited number of countries, and the laws surrounding it can vary widely. The countries that currently allow euthanasia or assisted suicide in some form include 1. The Netherlands. 2. Belgium. 3. Luxembourg. 4. Canada. 5. Colombia. 6. Switzerland. 7. Germany, under certain conditions. 8. New Zealand, effective from 2021. 9. Spain, under certain conditions. In some of these countries, such as the Netherlands and Belgium, euthanasia is allowed for people who are experiencing unbearable suffering and have no reasonable prospects for improvement. In other countries, such as Switzerland, assisted suicide is legal only if the person assisting the suicide has no vested interest in the death of the person who is requesting it. In all cases, strict conditions must be met, and a licensed medical professional must carry out the procedure. It's important to note that euthanasia is illegal in most countries, including the United States. What are the recent Supreme Court of India comments on euthanasia, mercy killing? The Supreme Court of India has made several comments on euthanasia in recent years. In 2018, the court recognized the right of terminally ill patients to die with dignity and upheld the right to make an advance directive that would allow them to refuse medical treatment. The court also ruled that a person could not be kept alive through artificial means if they were in a vegetative state and had no chance of recovery. In 2021, the Supreme Court of India made further comments on the issue of euthanasia in a case involving a man who had been in a vegetative state for over a decade. The court reiterated its previous stance that patients had the right to die with dignity and that it was the duty of the state to provide them with access to palliative care. The court also stated that in certain cases, such as when a patient is in a permanent vegetative state, it may be appropriate to withdraw life support. However, it's important to note that while the Supreme Court of India has recognized the right to die with dignity and the legality of advance directives, active euthanasia remains illegal in India. Any form of assistance in ending a person's life is considered a criminal offense under Indian law. What are the legal provisions applicable to euthanasia in India? Euthanasia, whether passive or active, is illegal in India. However, the Supreme Court of India has recognized the right of terminally ill patients to die with dignity and the right to make an advance directive that would allow them to refuse medical treatment. In 2018, the Indian government passed the Management of Patients with Terminal Illness, Withdrawal of Medical Life Support Bill, which allows for the withdrawal of life support in certain cases. This law permits the withdrawal of life support in cases where the patient is terminally ill, in a persistent vegetative state, or has an irreversible condition with no chance of recovery. In such cases, the withdrawal of life support can only be carried out after obtaining the permission of a medical board set up for the purpose, and the decision must be made in the best interests of the patient. The law also provides for the establishment of advance medical directives or living wills, which allow individuals to give instructions on the medical treatments they wish to receive or refuse in the event that they become terminally ill or unable to make their own decisions. However, it is important to note that active euthanasia, where a medical professional intentionally and actively brings about the death of a patient, is still illegal in India and can result in criminal prosecution. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.